Good morning. My name is Jovel and I am here to give a seminar on chemistry on the topic atomic structure. What is an atom? Every matter consists of basic and titles called elements. Each element is composed of smallest particle called an atom. Is a name given from a Greek language word which is atomos and which means indivisible. Structure of an atom. Atom consists of three basic elements called protons, electrons, and neutrons. The nucleus is the center of the atom, which contains protons and neutrons. Protons are the positively charged elements, and neutrons have no charge. Out around them, there are the electronic orbits where electrons revolve, and electrons are the negatively charged particles. As you can see here in the structure of an atom, there are neutrons in the center and the protons, those are positively charged. Here is the and in the nucleus, here are the here are the electronic shells where revolves the electrons. Here comes the nucleus. The nucleus is the small dense region containing the protons and neutrons at the center of an atom. It was discovered by Ernest Rutherford with his experiment of gold foil in 1909. The atom is composed of a positively charged nucleus with a cloud of negatively charged electrons surrounding it, bound together by an electrostatic force. Almost all the mass of an atom is located in the nucleus, and protons and electrons are bound together to form the nucleus by the nuclear force. Here are the electrons. Electrons were discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson. These are the negatively charged particles of an atom. Together, all the electrons of an atom create the negative charge that balance the positive charged protons in the atomic nucleus. Electrons are extremely small as compared to protons, as they are 1,000 times smaller than that of protons in the mass. A proton is a subatomic particle. Its symbol is P. As it has a positive charge, it has an also symbol of P positive with a positive electric charge of positively elementary charge and a mass slightly less than that of a neutron. Proton and neutron, each with a mass of approximately 1 atomic mass unit, are collectively referred as to a nucleus. One or more protons are present in the nucleus of every atom. They are necessary part of nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus is defining property of an element as it refers to the atomic number of that element. Neutrons were discovered by Sir James Chadwick. A neutron is slightly heavier than that of protons. They are electrically neutral particles and it is a part of nucleus of an atom. Neutron is about 10 raised to the power minus 13 centimeter and weighs about 1.6749 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 27 kilogram. Uh, Now let us see that how the electrons are distributed in different orbits. In the first shell, first of all, there is a formula that is 2n square. Here n refers to the number of the shell. In the first shell, as the number of the shell is 1, so in the place of n we will place the value 1, and in the first cell there are 2 electrons, as we can also see in the diagram. In the first cell there are 2 electrons, in the second shell there are the 8 electrons, and in the third shell there are 18 electrons. It is called the electronic configuration of that atom. So electric configuration of some elements are here. Of the helium, there are two electrons in the first shell. Then it's the chlorine, then the potassium, sodium, mercury, and lithium. Atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is represented by the letter Z of an element is the number of protons in the nucleus of each atom of that element. Means the number of the proton is equal to the number of the atomic number. The atom can be classified as a particular element based solely on its atomic number. The mass number is represented by the letter A, and it defined has the total number of protons and neutrons in that atom. So we can see here, here is the symbol, here the name and the mass number and the atomic number. Atomic number is identified by the word Z and the mass number by the word A. So that was all about the atomic structure. Hope you liked this video. Thanks.